Are you interested in making a book but aren't sure how? Are you looking for the best place in the world to bring your masterpiece to life? Well, my friend, that place is Lulu. And today, I'm going to tell you how to use it. This is Lulu for Yulu. First off, create an account. It's free, and it'll be like your own personal library of all your masterworks. You just have to head to Lulu.com to create your account today, right now. Open up another tab. I'll wait. Just head to Lulu.com and go to the top right corner and hover over that person-shaped icon, then click register. From there, just follow the prompts to create your account. I know we're all excited, but before you go off to make your first project, go to Lulu's book pricing calculator to get started. So I love to tell people to start here. It's a really powerful tool and it will allow you to put in all the specifications for your book to get your per unit cost. You can even estimate shipping and get templates for your book. Pro tip, if you're working with a formatter, interior designer, or cover designer, give them those templates that you get by putting in your specifications to make sure everything will upload perfectly. Next, you can create your project. So even if you haven't penned your literary epic, you can still create something epic with Lulu's free guides and templates. Just head over to our resources tab and go to guides and templates, and there you will find a ton of interior files for notebooks. We've got blank, dot, lined, and grid notebook interiors, as well as interiors for planners and calendars. Once your project is good to go, you can just upload your interior PDF and then upload your cover PDF or create one with our handy dandy cover creation tool. Then go through the prompts, publish, and order a proof copy. I'm not saying this just for fun. Order a proof copy. It's very important. So make sure you review it and find any errors. You want to be the one that finds them, not your readers or customers. Don't skip out on the proof copy. I'm serious. I'll know. I won't know. Once you've reviewed your proof and everything is good to go, it's time to sell. But how will you sell? Well, at Lulu, we have 3 different ways for you to sell your books. So the first one is through the Lulucom Bookstore. If you sell through the Lulu.com bookstore, we have 3 levels of access you can put your project in. So that's general, select, and private access. So while you are in this stage of reviewing or waiting for your proof copy, I would recommend putting your book in private access. So this means that only you as the author and account holder can find that book. No one else can find it on our site. Next up is select access. So this is really great if you have a book that you've created for an online course or in a real life course. So if you have a select group of people that you want to be able to access the book, you can put it in select access. And that means that only people with that unique URL can find the book on our bookstore. Last but not least is general access. This means everybody's invited to the party. So put your book in general access for anyone coming to our bookstore to search and peruse and purchase. If you sell through the Lulu bookstore, we have an 80-20 revenue split for print books. So that means you as the author get 80% of the revenue and Lulu gets 20. And if you're selling ebooks, that split is 90-10, meaning you get 90% of the revenue and Lulu gets 10. Another really cool feature of selling your book through the Lulu.com bookstore is the ability to add charities or nonprofit organizations as payees for your project. So we see this a lot around the holidays with a lot of calendar creators that we have. But if you are creating a book or project that is to raise awareness for a cause that's close to your heart, or you just want the revenue of that project to go to that organization, you can put in their information as the payee instead of your own, and when revenue comes in, it'll get sent to them, and you don't even have to worry about it. And if you took pre-orders for your project or you need to upload multiple orders at once for your book, you can use our multi-order upload tool. The next way to sell on Lulu is through global distribution. So this means you can list your book on over 40,000 retailers, including Amazon, Ingram, and Barnes & Noble. So if you would like to put your book through global distribution, just make sure that all of the selections you make for your book are denoted with a green globe and a green book, and that means it is global distribution eligible. And last but absolutely not least is Lulu Direct. This is the creme de la creme of book selling. So with Lulu Direct, you can integrate with our e-commerce solutions to sell your books directly through your own website or use our print API to do the same. So regardless of what direct sales method you choose, there are several distinct benefits, including keeping 100% of your revenue, collecting customer data like email addresses, automating print and fulfillment of your orders, getting to use white label shipping on your orders, and getting paid within 24 to 48 hours after the sale. So regardless of which way you choose, these are all benefits you can take advantage of when selling direct. Bonus! If you use our print API, you can create custom projects for each reader. So that means each person that buys the book can have a different experience. If you have content like a nutrition or exercise plan that needs to be modified depending on who's buying it, you can do that with our print API. And that's how you Lulu! Got some questions for us? Leave them in the comments below. Trust me, I read all of them. Go forth to publish, print, and prosper, and we'll see you next time.